Washington is a thriving hub of business and entrepreneurship, offering many benefits and opportunities for those looking to start a business. From its vibrant and diverse economy to its supportive business community and favorable business laws, Washington is an ideal location for entrepreneurs looking to establish a new venture. In this video, we will explore the reasons why one should consider starting a business in Washington, the benefits of doing so, and a step-by-step guide to starting an LLC in Washington. Why start a business in Washington? 1. Low startup costs. Washington has relatively low startup costs, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs on a budget. The filing fee for forming an LLC in Washington is $100, which is significantly lower than many other states. 2. Favorable business climate. Washington offers a favorable business climate, with a range of business-friendly laws and regulations that make it easy for entrepreneurs to start and grow their businesses. The state has a low tax burden compared to other states, with no state income tax and no corporate income tax. In addition, Washington has a streamlined business registration process, making it easy to register and operate a business in the state. 3. Central location. Washington is located in the heart of the eastern United States, making it an ideal location for businesses that need to ship products across the country. The state has an extensive network of highways, railroads, and airports, making it easy to transport goods and services. 4. Quality of life. Washington offers a high quality of life, with a range of recreational opportunities, cultural attractions, and natural beauty. The state is home to vibrant cities, picturesque towns, and stunning natural landscapes, making it an ideal place to live and work. 5. Low taxes. Washington has a low tax burden compared to other states, with no state income tax and no corporate income tax. This makes it an attractive location for businesses looking to save on taxes and increase their bottom line. 6. Skilled workforce. Washington is home to a highly skilled and educated workforce, with a range of universities, colleges, and vocational schools providing training and education in a variety of fields. This makes it easy for businesses to find and attract talented employees with the skills and expertise they need to succeed. Forming a limited liability company, LLC, in Washington state is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to form an LLC in Washington. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in forming an LLC in Washington is to choose a name for your business. The name you choose must be unique and not already in use by another LLC in the state of Washington. You can search for available names on the Washington Secretary of State's website. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. All LLCs in Washington must have a registered agent. This is a person or company that will receive legal and official documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state of Washington. Step 3. File articles of organization. To form an LLC in Washington, you must file articles of organization with the Washington Secretary of State. The Articles of Organization document includes basic information about your LLC, such as the name of the LLC, the name and address of the registered agent, and the name and address of the LLC's organizer. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not legally required in Washington state, it is highly recommended that you create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines how your LLC will be run and includes important details such as how profits and losses will be divided among members, how decisions will be made, and how the LLC will be managed. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique 9-digit number that is assigned to your LLC by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. This number is used to identify your business for tax purposes. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. Step 6. Register for state taxes. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to register for state taxes with the Washington Department of Revenue. This can include taxes such as sales tax, use tax, and business and occupation tax. Step 7. Obtain necessary business licenses and permits. Certain types of businesses in Washington may require additional licenses or permits before they can legally operate. You can check with your local government or the Washington State Business Licensing Service to determine what licenses or permits your business may need. In conclusion, forming an LLC in Washington involves choosing a unique name, appointing a registered agent, filing articles of organization, creating an operating agreement, obtaining an EIN, registering for state taxes, and obtaining any necessary licenses or permits. By following these simple steps, you can successfully form an LLC in the state of Washington. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.